Okay, students. Coming to the very next topic following the function of nucleus is on the basis of presence of that membrane which we have already discussed earlier, the nuclear membrane which was double layered. On the basis of its presence or absence, we can categorize animals into two types as prokaryotes and as eukaryotes. Can you just see? Organisms are called prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means, pro means primitive or primary and karyotes means कैरियन या इसको हम न्यूक्लियस कहते हैं. मतलब ऐसा न्यूक्लियस जिसमें प्रिमिटिव टाइप के ऐसा ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसमें प्रिमिटिव टाइप का न्यूक्लियस पाया जा रहा होगा उसे हम प्रोकैरियोट कहेंगे. ये प्रिमिटिव टाइप ऑफ न्यूक्लियस कहने का मतलब वो होता है जहाँ पे ये जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन होती है वो वेल डिफाइंड या पुअरली डिफाइंड होती है या वेल डिफाइंड नहीं होती है या एब्सेंस होता है इस न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन का. ठीक है. सो प्रोकैरियोट्स आर दोज ऑर्गेनिजम्स वेयर there is absence of nuclear membrane, yeah, it is very poorly defined. Okay. On the other hand, there are those organisms where this nuclear membrane is present, well defined, and those are known as eukaryotes. You can just make out U means true, karyotes is for nucleus, so they are having true nucleus. Okay. So on the basis of presence and absence of nuclear membrane, we can have two organisms, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are with primary nucleus which lack nuclear membranes present, and eukaryotes are those which are having proper defined nuclear membrane. And on this basis, we have labeled out certain differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First, we'll focus on the prokaryotes. They are lacking organized nucleus. As I have told you, organized nucleus is absent as because the nuclear membrane is absent. Hence, जो hereditary material है that is lying into the cytoplasm में ही रहेगा. कोई न्यूक्लियर स्पेस नहीं होगा जहाँ पे ये पाया जाएगा. सो इसलिए वो एरिया या वो स्पेस जहाँ पे ये साइटोप्लाज्म में पाए जाते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं न्यूक्लियोइड. Where the word is nucleoid. So hereditary material lies free in the cytoplasm and is known as nucleoid in case of prokaryotes. Third point, it's clear known that nuclear membrane is absent. The other point which is important to note is that a single chromosome is present and is represented by single circular DNA. So the DNA which is present over here is circular and single in number. Okay. Compared to eukaryotes, if we talk, they are having well-defined or well-organized nucleus. The hereditary material is definitely covered by a nuclear membrane. Chromosomes are seen at the time of cell division. Even they have membrane-bound cell organelles, which we will see in prokaryotes in another side that they lack membrane-bound cell organelles too. But eukaryotes have membrane-bound cell organelles. There is distinct compartment as the nuclear membrane is present, so they are having distinct compartment as cytoplasm and nucleus. And eukaryotes ka example are like your plants, animals and fungus. Okay, I'll show you in the other slide some more points regarding your prokaryotes. See here, which we said like eukaryotes have that cell membrane bound cell organelles. Here the membrane bound cell organelles are also absent, and because the membrane is not there, no defining boundaries are there, therefore everything is lying into the cytoplasm. So there is no compartments found in prokaryotes, and the examples are bacteria and cyanobacteria. I'll give you a close-up of this bacterial diagram. Can you just see this? This nuclear your single circular chromosome which is lying in the cytoplasm, this is called nucleoid. Okay. Meanwhile, if we take a look on eukaryotic cell, can you just make out proper well-defined nuclear membrane is there, all membranes, all cell organelles have membrane bound structure, everything so nicely, everything compartments में सब चीजें ठीक है. But this is not the condition with prokaryotic cell.